In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder files by name in Google Drive. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to sort your files alphabetically so you can find what you need faster. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google homepage. Look toward the top right corner of the page for the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher. When you click it, a panel of Google services opens. From that panel, select Drive. This takes you straight into Google Drive, where you'll see your folders and files in My Drive or whichever location you last opened. Give the page a moment to load so everything appears. If you manage multiple Google accounts, make sure you're in the one where your files are stored, so the sort affects the correct library. Now focus on the file list area. Near the top right of this section, you'll find the Sort control. Depending on your screen size and layout, it may appear as the word Sort, an A to Z style icon, or a small button with a drop-down arrow. Click that Sort control to open the sorting options. From the menu that appears, choose Name. The moment you select Name, Drive will reorder the files and folders in the current view alphabetically. By default, it typically sorts from A to Z, placing items that start with numbers before letters. If you want the reverse order, simply click the Sort control again and toggle the direction so it goes from Z to A. You'll see a small arrow indicator that flips direction when you switch the order, confirming the change. A couple of tips help this work even better. Sorting by name applies to whatever folder or location you're currently viewing, so if you switch to a different folder, you may want to repeat the same sort there. Also, if you rely on numbers in your file names, using leading zeros, like 01, 02, 03, keeps the sequence correct when sorting by name. Special characters at the start of a file name may push items to the top or bottom, so keep names consistent if you want a clean alphabetical run. Finally, this works in both List View and Grid View. The Sort control is in the same area, and the Name option behaves the same way. That's all there is to it. Open Google, launch Drive from the Apps grid, click the Sort control in Drive, and choose Name to organize everything alphabetically. With your files neatly ordered, you'll save time and keep your workspace tidy every time you open Drive.